Hey everyone! In the previous video I showed how to paint a car fender by yourself. In my opinion, it turned out pretty good for the first time, and now I want to protect the inside of the fender. I have an Audi A6 C5, and if you leave the metal fender as they are, you need to be prepared for the age of the element to start rusting. If you look at this part on the car, you can clearly see where its problem areas are. It's the area behind the fender, under the overlay where everything starts to warp, then the edge of the fender and where it attached to the body. For example, on the other side of the car, there's no rust and the bottom of the element, but the top edge is completely corroded. In the first stage of treating the part, I am painting the fender with epoxy primer. I am paying particular attention to painting the edge from the inside because it can be done with a paint gun. So, I've mixed a bit more primer now and use a brush to treat the fender's edge. After applying epoxy primer to the edge, I wait for it to dry, and then I can proceed to treat the element with seam sealer, which is applied with a brush. I scuffed the part with red Scotch-Brite, degreased it, and then applied the sealer without diluting it using a brush on the inner edge and the bottom of the fender. About 3 hours have passed and the seam sealer has completely dried. I then protected the painting areas of the part with masking tape. Next, I take a material based on wax and bitumen, shake it well before applying, insert it into a paint gun can, and spray the mixture all over the fender surface. The substance sprays very well, and I won't apply a second coat. The important thing is to thoroughly coat the element's edge. The next day, the compound has fully dried, creating a pleasant non-sticky and non-greasy layer. That's exactly what I wanted, so that it doesn't smudge on hands. This compound is elastic and shouldn't crack under high or low temperatures. As a precaution, I also decide to treat the bottom of the fender, the edge and the attachment area to the body with a product called Movil. In our country, this is the name of the trademark of an auto preservative based on motor oil and urine oil intended for anti-corrosion treatment of the body. I believe then, thanks of those actions, even if there is any remaining rust, it will progress very slowly without access to oxygen and moisture. I put the fender back in place and will keep an eye on it, especially the weak spots where rust should appear first. As you can see, and the old part is at the bottom and the edge itself where rust can gradually destroy the entire fender. As you can see, the case to protect the edge of the element because in other areas, even without any treatment, there are no signs of corrosion. See you soon in the next videos. Bye!